Hey guys, it's the Clucky Rooster here. Today we have pop unboxing, so let's get into it. To start off, we got Patrick Star from SpongeBob, and it's pretty cool. So out of the package, back. So there's a second, it's SpongeBob with holiday gear on. But and then second we have the Black Knight from Fortnite. Overall, it's a really cool figure. All this set. Probably won't be getting any different ones, but who knows? And yeah. So let's unbox them. What I like to do is go from the bottom. And so here we have Patrick Star, looking pleasantly plump as always. Like that scarf around his neck. It's a really neat piece. It's even textured. And he's got that bright candy cane in his mouth. So there's Patrick. And then we'll open up the Black Knight. Let's pull him out and see what he looks like out of the box. So here's the Black Knight. I like the shield on his back. Overall, he's a pretty cool character. But yeah. So remember to leave a like and hit that subscribe button, turn on those notifications, and we'll see you all later.